In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add site-wide animations in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to make your website more dynamic and visually appealing. All it takes are a few simple steps, which I'll guide you through. Starting at your Squarespace dashboard, you'll see your list of websites. Begin by selecting the site you want to enhance with animations. This will take you to the configuration panel for that specific site. Once you're in the website's configuration, look towards the top left corner. There, you'll find a menu option labeled Website. Click on this option to proceed. This will navigate you one step closer to personalizing your site's design by enabling animations. After that, direct your attention to the Styles button. It's a crucial option because it leads you into the hub where most of your site's aesthetic customizations occur. Clicking on Styles will bring up the style settings for your entire site, allowing you to make broad creative changes. Now that you're in the Styles area, scroll down until you find the Site Styles button. These styles dictate the overarching look and feel of your website. So, it's the perfect place to incorporate animations that will make your site feel interactive and engaging for visitors. Continue scrolling through the site styles until you come across the Miscellaneous section. This section might not immediately stand out, but it's your gateway to the animation features you're looking to add. Click on Miscellaneous, and you'll see a handful of additional options appear. Among these new options is Animations. By selecting this, you'll enter the settings specific to animations. It's here where you can preview and choose the type of animations you want to deploy across your website. Whether you're after something subtle to enhance user experience or something bold and eye-catching, Squarespace provides a variety of animation styles to suit your taste. Once you've selected the animations you wish to use, it's important to finalize your changes by saving your work. Before you navigate away from the Styles page, locate the Save button. It's usually found at the top or bottom of the screen, ensuring that all your changes are preserved and ready to improve the user experience on your website. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily add captivating animations to your Squarespace site, breathing life into your web presence and captivating your audience. Whether you're designing a portfolio, an online store, or a personal blog, animations can make your site more compelling and memorable. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to see how you transform your site with these tools.